Hello friends, welcome to all. Today we discuss the subject of power system. In this subject we connect the power system matrices topic. In the previous video lecture we discussed the various examples related to power system matrices. In this video we discuss the next example related to power system matrices topic. So now we start the example number 5th. The following figure show the simple 4-bus system. Here it is a figure of a 4-bus system is connected between them. In this system the 1, 2, 3 and 4 system are connected between them. The value of bus 1 to bus 2, bus 3 and bus 4 are also interconnected with the line of parameters. The line 1 and line 3, the parameters between them is a 0.10 plus j into 0.30. The bus 3 to bus 4, the line it is a value is 0.05 plus 0.15. The bus 3 to bus 2, the line between them is a parameters is 0.15 plus j into 0.45. The bus 2 to bus 4, the line is parameters is 0.10 plus j into 0.30. Here it is a dotted line between node 1 to bus 2. The parameters is 0.05 plus j into 0.15. Here in the given data, the shunt admittance at all the buses are assumed to be negligible. Here we should assume the shunt buses is a negligible, and then we should find the point A and point B of this example. For the point A, it is given that find the Y bus assuming that the dotted line shown it is not connected. Here first of all we should find here to dotted line is not connected in the system, and then after we find what a modification is needed to be carried out in a Y bus system if the line shown is dotted is connected. So first of all we should find is if the Y bus is assumed to be dotted line is to be not connected between them, and then after we find what modification is needed to be carried out in a Y bus system if the line shown is dotted is connected. So in the case 1, we should write admittance form. There is a small y13. So the output of small y13 is 1 upon impedance form. There is a 1 upon z13. So the output is 1 upon 0.10 plus j into 0.30. So the resultant is, for a calculating of this value, we can write 1 upon 0.316 angle 71.57 angle. So the output is 3.165 into angle of minus 71.57 is the output of them. So the value is 1.0 minus j into 3.0. There is a resultant of the y13. When we solve this form, the output is given that. In the value of admittance from Y 23 is equal to 1 upon Z23 is equal to 1 upon 0.15 plus j into 0.45. So in an angle form, the output is 0.475 in an angle of 71.57. So the output of them is 2.109 angle minus 71.57. So we can write here the data is 0.667 minus j into 2.0. The value of y24 is equal to 1 upon z24 is equal to 1 upon 0.10 plus j into 0.30. So the value is 1.0 minus j into 3.0. In the same way, now when we write the value of y34, so the output is 1 upon z34. So when we put the value of z34 is equal to 1 upon 0.05 plus j into 0.15. So the resultant is 1 upon 0.158 in an angle of 71.57. So the output of this formula is 2.0 minus j into 6.0. In the similarly way, we write the admittance and impedance form. The value of y11 is equal to small y13. So the output is 1.0 minus j into 3.0. The similarly way, the y22 is equal to y23 plus y24. The output is 1.667 minus j into 5.0. The same way, we write the value of y33 is equal to y13 plus y23 plus y34. So the output is 1.0 minus j into 3.0 plus 0.667 minus j into 2.6 plus 2.0 minus j into 6.0. The resultant of this formula is 3.667 minus j into 11.0. In the same way, we write the value of y44 is equal to y24 plus y34. The output is 1.0 minus j into 3.0 plus 2.0 minus j into 6. So the resultant of this equation is 3.0 minus j into 9.0. When we find the Y-bus matrix of this equation is by using all these parameters put in a given data. The value is 1.0 minus j into 3.0. In a first column, the second point is there is no connection between them, the output is 0. The third line output is minus 1.0 plus j into 3.0. The fourth point is there is no connection between them, output is 0. In the next column the value is 0. The next line the value is 1.667 minus j into 5.0. The next line is minus 0.667 plus j into 2.0. In the fourth line is minus 1.0 plus j into 3.0. The third column the value is 1.0 minus j into 3.0. In the next line the value will be 0.667 minus j into 2.0. The third point of this column is 3.667 minus j into 11.0, and the fourth value is minus 2.0 plus j into 6.0. And the fourth column is there is no connection between them, so the output is 0. And the next line is output is 1.0 minus j into 3.0. The third line will be 2.0 minus j into 6.0, and fourth line is 3.0 minus j into 9.0. There is a matrix of Y bus system in a first we should find. Now in the second case we find the value of what modification is needed to carry out Y the in a Y bus if the line of the dotted is connected. So first of all in the second case when we line is not dotted and the output will be given in a Y bus form. So we dotted when here we write that when dotted line is connected, so the output is y12 is equal to y upon z12. So the value is 1 upon 0.05 plus j into 0.15. The resultant is 2.0 minus j into 6.0. The same way, the admittance form of a capital Y11 is Y12 plus Y13. The output is 2.0 minus j into 6.0 plus 1.0 minus j into 3.0. So the resultant is 3.0 minus j into 9.0. When we find the value of admittance Y22 is small y12 plus y23 plus y24. So the output is 2.0 minus j into 6.0 plus 0.667 minus j into 2.0 plus 1.0 minus j into 3.0. The output is 3.667 minus j into 11.0, and the next we find is y21. So the y21 is equal to small y12 minus small y12. The way output of this is minus 2.0 plus j into 6.0. The remaining parameter will be same. Other parameter is same as in a case 1. For the value of all these parameter, we modified the y bus matrix R modified y bus matrix is the value of first column is 3.J9 minus 2 plus j into 6. Third value is minus 1.j into 3 and fourth value is 0. So there is no connection, so output is a 0. In the second column, the value is 2. Minus j into 6, 3.667 minus j into 11. Third value is minus 0.667 plus j into 2, and fourth value is minus 1 plus j into 3. The third column, the value is minus 1 plus j into 3. The next is minus 0.667 plus j into 2. The next is 3.667 minus j into 11, and fourth value is minus 2 plus j into 6. The fourth column, there is no connection in them, so output is 0. The value of 1 minus j into 3, and next value is 2 minus j into 6, and next value is 3 minus j into 9. There is a modified matrix of a y bus system in a case 2. Now we discuss the next example number 6. Here the given data is determine the nodal admittance matrix for the power system represented by a single line diagram. Here we find the nodal admittance matrix of this network. For the nodal admittance matrix of the power system is in a single line diagram. In a single line diagram, there is a generator connected in the system. Here the bus 0, bus 1 and bus 2 are connected between them. The value of bus 0 to bus 1 is small y01 is equal to 1 plus j2. The bus 1 to bus 2, the value is connected value is y12 is equal to 2 plus j into 1, and bus 0 to bus 2, the connected value is y02 is equal to 3 plus j into 3. Now we solve this power system network and find the nodal admittance matrix. Now for the solution of this matrix, we write the sum of all admittance connected at a bus 0. So for this purpose, we write the value is y00. Y00 is equal to sum of all the admittance connected at bus 0. So we can write the value of y01 plus y02 is equal to y00. So in the next stage is 1 plus j2 and the y02 value is 3 plus j3. So the output of this equation is 4 plus j into 5. Now we solve the value of y01 is equal to minus y01 in a small form. So the output of this value, there is a minus 1 plus j into 2. The value of y02 is equal to minus in a small form y02. The output is minus 3 plus j3. Now we write the sum of admittance connected at a bus 1. So the output of y11 is equal to sum of admittance connected at a bus 1. So the value of y11 is small y01 plus small y12. The output of this 1 plus j2 plus 2 plus j into 1 is equal to 3 plus j into 3. Now we solve the value of y12, capital Y12 is equal to minus small y12. The output is minus 2 into 2 plus j into 1 and y10 is equal to minus y01 is equal to minus 1 plus j into 2. There is a form of y10. Now for the value of y22, there is a sum of admittance connected at a bus 2. y22 is equal to sum of admittance connected at bus 2. The value will be small y12 plus y02. The output is 2 plus j into 1 and 3 plus j into 3. So the output of resultant is 5 plus j into 4. In a similar way, we find the value of y21 is equal to minus y12 is equal to minus 2 plus j into 1. For the value of y20 is equal to minus y02 is equal to minus 3 plus j into 3. There is a total value of a sum of admittance connected at a bus 2. Hence, by using this admittance form, the nodal admittance matrix will be represented. For the nodal admittance matrix, the output is y00, y01, y02, y10, y11, y12, y20, y12 and y22. So the value of this nodal admittance matrix is 4 plus j into 5. In a second value is minus 1 into j into 2. The next value is minus 3 into minus j into 3. The second column, the value will be minus 1 into j into 2. The next value is 3 plus j into 3, and last value of this column is minus 2 minus j into 1. Now for the third column, the value of this minus 3 into minus j into 2. Next value is minus 2 into j into 1. 5 plus j into 4. There is a nodal admittance matrix of this example.